You were there? Hey, Frosty the Snowman, I love it. Yeah. Used to be like a school, our chapel song, we would sing Frosty the Snowman.
Yeah?
Yeah. Full Catholic school now, we have learned these songs only.
And then you don't know, you don't have to take out chappal and juta.
Hey, they never took us to church. We just went to sing in the choir. The Besura people were behind.
Come inside. So hey guys, welcome to Yours Weekly by Tay and V. Finally we're here after so long.
Can you all hear us? Sorry, the volume's a little loud over here, but try your best. Yuvraj is saying, even here on live Chandni.
So Chandni, my very very dear friend of mine, calls me only every live before I go live. Every time before that she calls me.
She's setting the good luck for us.
Yeah, thanks
No,
Chandu.
thanks.
After you only we get so many orders.
Yeah.
It's all because of you. So I hope all of you are traveling, enjoying yourselves because it's New Year's, it's Christmas. So yeah. Hi
Hi,
girls.
Manan Vibes.
Manik and Nandini. No.
Oh.
Two beauties in one frame. Can't help
But
it.
it's lagging.
It's
It's okay, Manan Vibes. This is the best we have right now. Where's your fit from? It's from Yours Weekly. And this
I
is
don't
also
know. I
from
keep
Yours.
shopping a lot, so I don't know where this is actually from. But
But the rest of your fit is from...
yeah, the rest of my fit, the earrings, this amazing cute little bracelet.
Oh, this one's very cute, blusher. Hey, we are actually here to show you all our best sellers, and this one is one of them.
And guys, if you do not want to buy for yourself, no problem. You can buy it for us. It is like I just received my Holly Jolly bracelet. I hope you liked it. Happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday.
Belated के भी आने वाला है.
It's when
It's coming.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Oh, so happy to know that you loved the Holly Jolly bracelets. We actually went really far out to procure very unique things that you won't get here or anywhere online just for you all. So, should we begin to show you our best sellers?
I think let's begin because we have a lot of people here.
First, we'll show you what Tay is already wearing, which is one of our best sellers.
Yes, this little cute honeybee is so pretty. Guess who's online?
Who? Oh. Awaiting completion. So this one is called Queen Bee for the Queen, and this is one of our best sellers. It's done really well. We just have few pieces, and guys, we're going really hard out in the sales, so shop.
Yeah,
before
why aren't
it
you all
ends.
shopping? Like you are shopping, but we need more shoppers to shop. And remember, you do not want it, you can always buy it for us.
And guys, this is a great time to gift. Like anyone you want in the whole year who's been kind to you, you just want to gift. This is a great time because literally this is for $499. Like this is a crazy price. It's not even being a cost price, but Tay has a big heart and she's given it out at a really good price. So that's Queen Bee. And what else do you have on you?
I have this very pretty bracelet, which is so amazing. I love it. Blush, guys, if you do not want it, you know what to do. You can gift it to us. But you never need a reason to gift anyone. You don't need an occasion. You can just gift things to anyone. I think one thing you should learn from B and E that we love gifting. And we don't need an occasion or anything like that. We just gift because we have big hearts. What's your favorite amongst all the drop? Actually, this one's one of my favorites. And even the Queen Bee. And I have two more favorites. Actually, all are my favorites because whenever we go and get or do anything select, I'm like, this is my favorite.
Pick up it. This one's
This
very
is
nice.
so pretty and it's got like a rainbow also, chotu sa. It is so cute.
And it's literally at 50-60%. It's at the prices you haven't yet got it ever.
Yes. And this little heart, like, come on, guys.
It's so minimalistic and perfect. It's
It's
literally
so
like
good.
if someone wants something very subtle, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Yay! wearing also one of our best-selling studs called Heart Pop and To the Moon and Back. We literally just have few pieces of both of these left, and they are on sale, so please pick them up. They're just perfect for like an everyday kind of a wear. If you don't want to go too loud, it's so good.
Yeah, and I think we've got also things that are not too loud, because we know we actually get things that we know we wear, and something that you all will like. So the first two drops are exploring and inventing and knowing you all. Now I think we all know you, what you all like, so it's great to know.
Oh.
Yeah.
So all of these are actually handpicked by us. So literally everything is our favorite. Tay and me go like, oh, I love this, I love this, I love this. So everything we have are actually things that we love.
And also please don't forget this very cute Cinder Tay. It is so adorable. There is a Cinderella, there is the shoe that goes missing after 12. So the other pair is missing. So if you want your Cinder Tay tales to come true, you know what to do.
Yes, we deliver in Bangalore. We deliver all over, all India, shipping at just ₹99. So no matter where you guys are, reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to deliver it, and it's on sale. We can't emphasize that enough.
Silken Hoops is not in sale. It's out of stock. We also restocked it, but guys, you have to be this quick to book it.
This is also one of our favorites. It's called Starstruck. It has really cute full sea vibes. It's very nice. This is one of my favorites too. And as I said, we only have few pieces in this, and it looks really nice. You can just wear it with a plain black top, plain white top, along with the Heart Pop. So do check it out.
We deliver in Halwandi.
Yes, of course.
Yes. We deliver everywhere.
Mud House, we are everywhere.
Yes.
Do you want to show your favorite of the day?
Yes, this is my favorite, and I don't know why, guys. This is called Link.
This is called Love Link,
Love
and we
Link.
actually thought this would be sold out. The Stay and me just jumped on it when we saw it. And look, it actually opens from here. It's so amazing. Can you even see anything? Yeah. It actually opens like this. It's so unique and amazing. So you can just wear this here. It has like it's half gold chain and half ceramic done. So this is the sweetest one. It's actually our favorite pick of the day.
Yeah, it is.
And
our
it's on
favorite.
sale for $4.99. Not even your $9.99 full price. So do check this out. It's called Love Link. It's super cute and super nice.
Yes, Manisha, I did see your pictures wearing your weekly drop. It was very cute and amazing, and thank you so much. And do share it with your friends and your relatives and everyone amongst you, whoever.
Manisha got
wow.
the...
What a view. Wow,
And-
what a view.
We want to show you this one thing that's only for ₹299. So a lot of your people requested that we drop the price a little for this one, because it's a perfect gift and it has very cute emojis, and we did drop it, and it's literally only for ₹299 in the sale. So this is definitely like a must get. Must.
And guys, check out this one.
Come on.
This
Nothing
is
is
like
prettier.
so pretty, so nice, so unique. I love it. I think you guys should get this for sure. And also guys, the year is ending. Do not forget to shop from Yours Weekly, and the items will be sent to you super soon. So make sure you buy this. And
This
we
is
only
a
have
crochet
pink
love.
left.
Yeah.
Pink color. So please.
Who is this handmade by?
By Cheryl Taylor. By my mother.
And guys, we're giving out a crazy price of 89 rupees. Have you heard of 89 rupees crochet net
I think you
by
should put it on your
her
hair because
mom?
your hair is nice and
Rubber
long.
band. It was long.
Oh yeah. It was.
So it was long. So this is literally so cute. Just look at the work done on it.
And perfect
Just
for your
give it
winter.
89 rupees.
89 में कहाँ मिलेगा आपको?
It's actually a very cute Christmas and a New Year.
Yeah,
everything.
full vibe. And this is my favorite.
And this is Tezo's favorite. It's called Candy Bloom. We have 3 colors in this. We have pink, we have beige, and we have blue. This also looks really nice, and it's like a very cute size. It's not your super small, nor is it your oversized size. It's actually a very cute
Kaina, yes, we do deliver in Nainital. So please order. Right away means right away, right now. You have to order.
Yes, because after this live, we usually get a lot of orders and we already sold out on most things that we have shown on live. So if you like something, message us now. The blush hour she loves, and the lover clock,
Yeah.
and the love link, and the little Ellie charm for only $2.99. Guys, trust me,
Ellie
you're not
charm
gonna
is
get
the
this price like
cutest.
this. This is such a nice price for this.
Okay, so you're asking me for the vlog, yeah. Firstly, Rohit just got married, so he's very busy. Okay, and I don't like shooting on my phone and doing it. And I'm not doing anything, so it's a very boring ending of the year for me.
Except being an amazing entrepreneur who bloody nailed it.
Yes, us.
Yes.
Is there the sweetheart bracelet available? Yes. The
Just one
last
piece.
one
Just
is left.
one.
Yes. So we are
Manisha,
also
message
taking
now.
we're taking the orders today, Vinky and Neeti, and we're also packing your orders because our staff has gone for New Year and Christmas. Actually, हमने दिया है छुट्टी.
Yeah.
Let them enjoy. So today it's all us with you guys. So order now.
Yeah,
You can
thank
get
you,
cute,
Ravi.
cute
too.
voice notes.
Ravi, thank you so much for ordering in every drop. Ravi has been like really ordering from us, and this drop he wants to give us some gifts. So that's really
Yes,
nice.
Ravi is
Waiting
even
for it.
gifting one of my friend Chandu. So yes, Ravi ji, as soon as
We will take our gifts and send you a special thank you.
Yeah.
Any dance video coming? Yeah, we'll do one.
we'll do one.
ठीक है, fine.
We have to meet for
Once
that.
you order,
And when we meet,
we will
this
meet.
one wants me to come to Bandra.
Come on, who doesn't want to go to Bandra? Day two.
I still came without complaining. I said, where you want to meet? She's like, Bandra. I said, okay, I will be there.
Thank you.
Then town.
Okay, yeah, fine. Bandra is cooler place. Hotstar.
Keva is out from. I have no idea, guys, what is happening about Keva. I don't know. Abhimanyu and Charlie are back. I have no idea. If they're doing it without me, I have no idea.
They'll
Because
never do it without you.
I
It's
have
not gonna
got-
work. No one's gonna watch that.
I have not got any call, nothing. I have no idea.
Thank you.
What is
Ravi.
our New Year plan? No plan.
So, we promise you that if you're all 50, 60, 70 people watching this, order from us. We will take another live where we thank you all personally for all the orders you all have done. If you order now,
and she has to come to
today,
my house for that.
I'll come to London.
No, my house.
Take
Please.
Okay, so Bhumi, Maji, please order from us. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and personally thank you guys as well.
Our team is so sweet. Thank you.
Oh, it is.
Very
Oh,
sweet.
Meghna. Did you get your order? Okay, don't tell me now.
Is there a minimum order amount? No. You can order 89 rupees also. Then you have to just fill the shipping charges.
Or self-ship also.
Yes, we are in Mumbai.
Ravi, you please take all, just pay for all. We are just waiting for that,
Raviji, you can buy anything you want. We are just waiting.
COD we don't have, but you can pick it up from the address we send you, and in that way only you can do COD.
We have COD in Bombay.
Oh, why didn't you post it? You should post it, honestly.
Arey, we
Chanel
are
was very hot.
Anyway, now Instagram ka algorithm is going here, there, everywhere. So I don't
Because you're not putting the Chanel song. That's why. We'll make sure she puts it. I loved it. It was very hot.
By the way, I wore these earrings on my birthday also. If you see my birthday post very nicely and clearly, with my very settly golden dress, I've worn these earrings.
This is like, and this is the last one left. This we still have like 3, but that's the last one left. I'm thinking of taking it.
Yeah? Ravi ji will buy for you.
Yeah. Yes, sure. Take all, pay all. Just pay all. Love you all too. Gracie.
Kaina. You said if you are going to ship to Nainital, you will order right now. I haven't got any message.
Who's that? Kaina? Kaina. Send us the love when you order from us. Please get these are really cute stuff. Kaina, I think you should take the love link. It's just at $4.99 or something. And get the Ellie charm. Come on, it's at $2.99. This is literally so perfect. So perfect. And Blusha's taste favorite. If y'all don't shop from it, she's definitely going to be taking it home.
Yeah, you can shop for me, guys.
Shop for her, buy her the Blusha.
I'm an
She'll be very
entrepreneur who's very good with other people buying for me. So you can buy.
Tani, you first order from my existing collection. We are waiting for your order.
Yeah, Tani, you haven't ordered. You're
Yes.
not one of our customers.
Why?
Listen, we really know our customers' names and everything. Just to let you know.
Tani, our pieces are so pretty and they look even prettier when you wear them. So please shop. And it's on sale, guys. What more do you want? Like I at least, I'm a major sale shopaholic. I literally don't buy full price things. I wait for the sale. So now we're here. We've dropped shop.
Okay, they think we don't want reels, we want pictures. Okay, we will post pictures of the earrings and everything. Sorry, I've been a
We
little
have
out
not
of
put
touch.
reels sale.
I know,
We've only put posts.
post only we put.
You're
I
not
think
seeing our page properly. Yes, Tani, we will give you in Bangkok also.
I already did from Bangkok. Oh, but you know what? We both have gone to Bangkok this year. And we both didn't find any, like we were like, chal, let's look in Thailand for something nice, But I'm like, only yours weekly has all these amazing things. Like a Thailand also doesn't have, and 1 minute, like a USA also doesn't have. So now I know why we have like worldwide
shipping.
because we have like really amazing things that you do not get in USA too.
Yes. Dani, you also ordered from us in the beginning of the drop, but you haven't ordered all these amazing ones. You still have to order these.
Do you know there is a customer whose name is Isha? There is no customer whose name is Isha. There is our
Sales
our
employee.
sales employee who handles our WhatsApp. Her name is Isha.
Oh no, there's Isha Ali. Yeah, there's a customer Isha Ali.
Acha, like that. Acha. Oh, I thought. Yeah, we have two Ishas. We have.
Yeah. That's
They're
why I
talking
bought
about
from-
Niti's
yeah,
account
Dani,
ID.
but buy these ones. These ones are so cool and the quality is so good. You can literally see it on us. Yes, Leher. Leher, order
Leher,
from the
yes,
sale.
yes.
You
Leher
order
has
from the
ordered.
sale, but not from the sale.
Yeah, not from the sale. Buy like that. You should order from all the collection, all the drops that we do. Yes, yes, Kaina. But it got some yes, Kaina. Ishali, yes, yes.
Yes. How much is the bracelet that you're wearing? The blush art.
I removed it because it was getting covered with my sleeves.
I think that originally it went for $999, but I think in the sale you might get it for $599 or $499, which is insane.
Do you want to check your phone?
Yeah. But you have to buy when we do all this work.
Oh, happy birthday, Leher. I hope your birthday went great. We're just checking the price. What's coming next? You will know next year when it comes next.
We will know.
We will also know. Sorry, we both have been a little busy in our personal life. You never posted Italy down? Please do. Okay, I will. What's coming next year? No? Do you have this thing?
Yeah, I'll check it from there.
Okay. Yes, Ravi ji, I'm listening ji, bataiye. He's like, Niti ji, listen ji, yes, yes. Tell me, how can I help you? Listen, he's working, Parth is working with Richa Yamini, so they will have more idea than I have no idea about what is happening with KYY. If it's coming, great. They're doing it without me, great.
This is unbelievably, I don't know why we gave it so low, just for rupees 399. Can you believe this very beautiful pearl necklace? And blush art is only 399. They should be.
No.
This
It's for
is just
399.
rupees 399. Guys, we have gone really hard out in the sale. So literally these are unbelievable prices from 999 originally, and we just have few left and we've got all our bestsellers here for you. So Kaina, get it. Along with this, it's so cute. Just 89 bucks.
Very cute.
Yes, Ravi, pay.
Reel with Parikshit was so cute. How did you convince him? I didn't have to do anything. Na? I went to get my dupatta and that's why he was like, what the hell has happened? So, I played
You
it
know the
smart.
tricks, huh?
I played it smart.
Eee, look who's here.
Who?
Parikshit.
Hi.
Can't wait to see more awesome drops. Thank you. But Pari, you didn't shop from this drop.
He is not sure for many drops.
No, you shop from the first drop.
For many drops. The last.
Please shop from this drop. It's on sale. Literally, this is Tay's favorite and it's for rupees 399. Come on, come on. Why does it never go see down? This is Tay's favorite.
This
for rupees
also.
399. And this for 399 again.
Then the love link also. Show all.
Pari.
This is for
She
you.
loves it. She loves this. She loves this. This is like her most favorite. And sale is 499. Come on, it's not even a cost price. Taste of this you have now.
Yeah, this I have.
So she can use too.
I hope he heard you and didn't hang up.
We all have.
जी रवि जी आजकल जी मेरे लिए कुछ लेना है क्या लूँ
Ravi, you complete payment and I will send you a long list of things that Tay loves. Isha will send you something and Chandni and everything we will send you.
Guys, we're not taking anyone's name because वो बहुत लंबा process हो जाता है and then we have to keep taking everybody's. I'm buying them.
Yes, bye. Yeah, bye. Yes, that's true.
क्या?
Without Nandini, KYY is
Oh.
KYY doesn't exist without her.
Have friends who will always hype you up. Get your
For real.
get yours now. This one's taken already. ठीक है, so
Now
should
I'm
we?
hungry.
Yeah, let's order food.
Yeah.
So we are celebrating and we are also because we guys have done amazing in our drops. So we are here
Thanks to
in
you.
this amazing place to celebrate our journey and to celebrate us and you guys. So we are here for lunch. I hope you guys also have a sparkling Christmas and a happy New Year. Lots of love. My mother-in-law is also here. She's like, Parikshit,
Really?
buy for me also.
Where she?
Parikshit, you have too much to shop. Parikshit, buy for me too.
Oh, Anita.
Yes.
Anita auntie, I think you love this. The love link.
She'll wear also all of this, you know.
You should
She
wear,
likes
you should
all.
wear. This looks very cute. See the one Tay has got, Anita Auntie's Queen Beads. Actually one of the best
For the
sellers.
queens. For the queens.
Yeah. So for you and we just have 1-2 pieces left. Pari, you're listening now?
Must have
It's
gone.
all for
Must have
you.
gone. Must have ran away. Okay, this is becoming very private and personal conversation. I think, guys, let's stick to you all. But thank you so much and wishing you all a sparkling Christmas and a happy New Year. Lots of love from Tay and Lee. And shop now because we're taking your order.
Thank you.
Lots of love.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.